Hey guys, I'm super excited because today I am unboxing the Canon M50 camera that I just got. Super excited about opening this giant box that Amazon sent. So stay tuned as I dive into what's in this goodness. There was literally a box inside of a box. Okay, so the pack that I got had several different items in it, and so I'm going to try to talk through all of the different accessories first before getting to the main event. So, and I'll link to this particular pack in the comments below. I did buy this from the US site, so my fellow Canadians, the conversion rate actually worked out to be not so bad when you added in all the bonus stuff. But I will also link the Canadian version below. Okay, so this pack came with two SanDisk SD cards. These are 32 gig SD cards. It also came with this deluxe photo kit, which has a fiber cloth, a cleaning kit, a dust blower, a lens pen, screen protectors, and a lens cap keeper. It also came with this photo bag, which I'm not a huge fan of. I don't know when I'd ever actually use this, but I thought it would be great for just storing the camera when I'm not using it or if I'm traveling. So it's got nice pockets. Let's open it up. Side pocket for the SD cards there. It's almost like a lunchbox. The interior pockets have a divider, and then it also has a strap that comes with it as well. That's just paper. Do you ever crunch the paper to make sure you're not throwing away something important? Yeah, that would totally be me. And then it also came with a tripod. So I already have a tripod, but it's getting a little old, and so having another one is always helpful. Also looking at kind of perking up my lighting situation, so having another tripod could help with that as well. So 3-way pan head, quick release, heavy duty adjustable pull, and 2-section aluminum alloy legs. So this is a pretty standard tripod, and this one is 57 inches tall. Okay. I also ordered a microphone, a Rode microphone, but it looks like that's coming in separately. So, the main event, here it is, the Canon EOS M50 camera. I'm so excited about this. I have been watching YouTube videos for this camera, watching other people do their unboxing videos for about 6 months before I decided to get it. I looked at a bunch of other cameras, but this one seemed to be the one that was kind of mid-range as far as price goes, and then also had a lot of the features for a beginner, because I don't really know a lot of tech about cameras. So it comes with this guide, user manual that's quite thick. Comes with the warranty, so you can I guess you can redeem this. Record of purchase, yeah. It comes with instructions on how to register it. Now we open it. Okay, so here's the body of the camera, and already I love the size of it. Some of the things I was worried about with these cameras is that they'd be too large, and I absolutely love the size of this camera. I went with the black one because I tend to get things dirty, and I wanted something that wouldn't look so dirty. The white one is super cute, but I knew as I touch things, it would get dirty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited to play around with this part. Okay, so the version I got comes with the body, and it comes with the battery charging pack. So this is how the battery charger looks. Also comes with the strap. Again, not sure if I would use, I may order a different one actually, but I think this would be helpful if you're vlogging and you have it around your wrist. It comes with a battery. Now I thought this pack came with extra batteries. I'll double check and put it in the comments what batteries it comes with. Maybe not the one. I looked at so many that I may be getting them confused. But it does come with one battery here. I don't need to open it. And the lens. So I will probably be upgrading the lens as well, but I wanted to take some time to play around with the kind of stock lens that this camera comes with. So this is the lens it comes with. This is, I believe, a 15mm to 40mm lens. I'll put the descriptions and all the product information in the description box down below. But this is a great, like, standard size lens, so I'm going to be testing it out, and stay tuned for my upcoming video so you can kind of see the difference between using what I'm using now, which is a standard Mac desktop built-in webcam, and upgrading to an actual camera. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and let me know what camera you use to record your YouTube videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!